Hi everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching some of my videos, my name is Anosha and I would love if you would consider subscribing if you like this video. Today I'm going to be bringing you a black and blue smoky eye tutorial using the Friendcation palette from the recent Dose of Colors collab with Desi, Perkins, and Katy. They are some of my favorite beauty YouTubers and I will link their channels below for you to check them out. For the tutorial and the mini review, just keep on watching and I hope you enjoy. You might have noticed in the introduction that the packaging of this palette is insanely gorgeous and sparkly. I absolutely fell in love when I bought this. It comes in 10 shades mixed between matte and shimmers, and I'm going to be naming them all for you guys right now before we get into the actual tutorial part of this video. So first we have A Moment, Game Over, Dirty Money, Churro, Necessary, Girl Bye, Cheens, Just a Kiss, Basic, and Try Me. I'm just going to use this crease brush from BH Cosmetics and I'm going to take this shade Churro. It's a really pretty light brown shade and I'm just going to work that into my crease to create a transition shade. To darken up my crease, I'm going to take this color called Cheens and I'm going to darken up my crease using it, and I'm going to really target it towards the upper part of my crease so that we can create a better depth in our look. Since it is a dark color and you want to avoid harsh lines, you do want to take your time blending this out. For the next step, you can use any kind of black gel liner that you have. I'm just going to be using the aqua color black gel liner, and I'm going to take a angled brush. You can just use a flat brush if you'd like, but I'm just going to put it on the inner corner of my eye as well as the outer corner of my eye. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but you do want to take your time and make sure it doesn't go above your crease. You just want to do like 2 V's on the inner and outer corners of your eye, and then we're going to cover it up with the shade Try Me from the palette. So now I'm taking the shade Try Me from this palette, and since the brush wasn't really showing the color as much as I wanted it to, I switched to using my finger and it did a lot of justice to the actual shade of the palette. This is like an actual wet eyeshadow look that you can get from this shade, and I absolutely love it because it's so unique and I have not seen it anywhere else. So we're just gonna use it to cover up the eyeliner that we just put on, just so we can intensify the black. And once again, so we don't have any super harsh lines, we are going to take a clean blending brush and blending out this black with the browns that we have under it so that there is a really softness to the look and it's smoky. This next step specifically is totally optional to use the glitter glue to intensify the blue, but I just felt like it really helped the intensification of the color as well as just letting it stay and not go everywhere since it is a shimmery glittery shade. So I personally did put glitter glue in the middle of my eyelid and then I just pat on the blue using a brush, but I would actually use a finger again for this because it just intensifies it so nicely, and then we can just blend it out with a blending brush later on. You can totally see the difference here when I use a brush to apply the blue as well as using my finger. It's completely different in how the color translates onto your eye. At this point, you really want to just blend out your whole look, add some brown eyeshadow under your eyes to create a little bit more depth to the whole look, and if you need to, you can reapply the black because the blue may overpower it while you're blending this out. And in the next steps, we're just gonna highlight our brow bone, do our liner and lashes, and then this whole look will be complete. It looks a little complicated, but you just need to have the patience to fully blend it out, take the time to make sure there are no harsh lines, and it will look beautiful. For my eyeliner, I'm just using the Tarte Cosmetics Tarteist liner, and I really like this because it's super black and it's easy to apply, and it dries down really quickly and matte, which is amazing. And if you're looking for a drugstore option, I highly recommend the NYC black liner because that has been my go-to for years now. And for lashes for this look, I'm using the Huda Beauty lashes in Scarlet, and I'm just gonna apply those really quickly, and then the look is complete. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So overall, I think this palette is really, really great in terms of its color payoff, its blendability, its packaging, and I really like the brand as it is because Dose of Colors does make some really good quality products. The only downside is the price, which I think in a way is worth it because of what you get, but for some people that can be an issue. If that's something that you're willing to look past, then I highly recommend this and will definitely encourage you to try it out for yourself to see if you like it or not. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!